Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact of today, this one made a very impressive move. You know, the Fed announced all that, the rate cut, which affected this one. But the point here being that from where it was at its lows to where it ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, the price certainly did make a very nice move. But that also does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, kind of dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area going forward now is going to be down here at, let's see, what is that? $13, and we'll call it 90 cents. Maybe you want to just call it 14, but right around that area. Why is that important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about the $14 area. If the price were to go down to there and then get to 14, 13.90, like I said, whatever you want to call it, and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And, like I said, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say that the price comes down here. However, in this situation, behaves like that and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. It's all about making progress. And again, in this situation, right there around $14 is what we're defining as quote-unquote progress. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? As far as where the sellers are at, I'm going to squeeze the chart down here a little bit just to offer up a little bit more context. But really the overarching level that stands out to me, and the price temporarily broke through it today, but I think right around 1550 is more so that more accurate level of resistance. But if the price can push up through 1550, the next key level right up there around $15.85. So 1550, 1585, next couple areas of resistance going forward. No doubt about it, though. Nice movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.